Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Philip Mensch, your Lindenhurst Chiropractor. This is a longtime patient, John.
Hello.
John's an auto mechanic, right?
Yes.
He's always getting into some kind of bad position and hurting himself, and today he's having some low back pain. So we're gonna get him checked out and adjusted. Stand over here for me. I'll get this table set up for you. This is called a high-low table. It makes it easy for my patients to get on and off the table, especially when they're hurting. And we set it to the proper height. Okay, John, why don't you come here, step on the platform. Face here, hands here, we'll get you checked. So what's that low back feeling like today?
Kind of sore.
Sore?
The left area.
The left, okay, let's get you checked out. And we can see he has a very short left leg, right on the side where he's having the problem. Right there, huh? It's sore. Starting to release already. Oh yeah. Feeling it. Feel a little tense up here today too, huh? Okay. Why don't we do a little light massage with a handheld massager to get you relaxed. How's that feel? Busy at work?
Yes, very.
It's good and bad in this case. Now the pains are staying here, it's not going down the leg or anything, right?
No.
Okay, excellent. I'm going to use the drop table today to help balance your sacrum or the bottom bone here in your spine. Makes a lot of noise but does not hurt at all. Feels good. And one more, we should have it. Very good. And look at that. Feet almost balanced perfectly. Good. Perfect. Very good. Wow, nice. Good adjustment today, huh? Perfect. Thank you. Come right on your side. Wow, great adjustment. Let's come over the other way. Very good. Nice. Felt great, right? Go right onto your back, face up. Check the neck. A little restricted over here. Come all the way over. Perfect. Good adjustment. Nice. All right. Let's have you sit up. Swing your legs over that way. We'll get you checked. Much better. How's that feel? Much better. All right. That was good. We'll see you next time. This is John. I'm Dr. Philip Mensch, your Lindenhurst Chiropractor.